Hi guys, this is Reshma, and to solve this differential equation we need to know what kind of equation it is, and it is a linear differential equation, guys. So this is a form of linear differential equation where p and the q are the functions of x. So now let me write this given equation in so as to make you better understand. Okay, so it is 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to cot x dx. So guys, now we'll take both the dx term on one side. So it will be cot x dx minus twice xy dx. So it is 1 plus x square dy is equal to cot x minus twice xy dx. Guys, now we need to divide both sides by dx, thus we will get 1 plus x square divided by dy by dx whole into cot x by twice xy. Right, now guys, we will divide both sides by 1 plus x square, thus we will have on left side dy by dx and on right side minus. Guys, why we are doing all the steps is because we are trying to get the equation in terms of dy by dx, okay, so that we can distinguish it as a linear equation. We can like get the p and q terms. Okay, this cot x plus x square plus 2xy. Oh, I'm sorry, in the middle it is this negative, right? So it will be cot xy divided by 1 plus x square. So continuing, now we'll be moving the 2xy divided by 1 plus x square, sorry, on the left side. So it will be 2x 1 plus x square y is equal to cot x 1 plus x. So guys, now you can see that this whole term is a function of x, right? We had dy by linear equation is in the form of this, right? So as you can see, these two function are a function of x. Okay, so guys, continuing, now we need to find the integration factor, right? So integration factor is e, and p is, guys, p is 2x by 1 plus x square. So here we will assume that 1 plus square is t. So differentiating both sides, we will get twice x dx is dt, right? So this we can write it as dt by t. The whole term is t, right, the denominator, and the integral will be log t, right? So that will be t, that is actually 1 plus x square. Cool. So guys, now what we need to do, we'll multiply this equation by the integrating factor, right? That's how we solve it. So by now multiplying, we will get dy by dx plus 2x 1 plus x square y into 1 plus x square. Here it was cot x by 1 plus x square, right? 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2x. This got cancelled by denominator, so it is 2x. Y is equal to cot x. This also got cancelled, right? It is cot x. And guys, on the left side term we can write it as 1 plus x square y, right, whole by 3x cot x. So guys, now what so we will integrate, we need to integrate, right? Okay guys, integrating both sides, we will have integral of d dx 1 plus x square y and integral of cot x. So guys, to integrate cot x, we will write it in terms of sin nx. Yes, here we will have a constant. So writing cot in terms of cos and sin x, sorry, dx sin x dx guys here also. Yeah, one sec. I will written it right because I'll write it here. Okay, dx. So for differentiating it, we'll assume sin x as t. Okay. So the differentiation of sin x is cos x, dx is equal to dt. So why is it? Will be integral of cos x dx is dt by t, and that will be log t, and t is sin x, right? So it will be 1 plus x square y is equal to log of sin x plus c. Thank you.